Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Hytale download stuck error, and let's get straight into the video. So there are a few ways of doing this and going about this, so let's get straight into the video. So the first method is you are going to be relaunching the game, because there is a relaunch button you can use to restart the installation right away. So go ahead and just do that a few times and then the download will continue. Now you can also restart the client, which you can do by just closing the Hytale client and running it again to check to see if the installation is fixed. However, just closing it normally by pressing the X at the top. I recommend opening up the task manager by either clicking Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time, or just searching it up in the search bar. Type in Hytale launcher and go ahead and right click and end task, close it this way. This is like a force close, so I do prefer doing this as well. And then you can go ahead and relaunch the client, and then you guys can check to see if that also helps fix the issue. The third thing you guys can do is by checking your internet connection, because many times, the internet you are using blocks the download on your device, so make sure your internet is running properly. And if anything, you guys can try ahead and disabling or turning off the internet and then turning it back on, or switching to an Ethernet cable if you have the opportunity. Now you can also, the fourth and final fix should be to just simply wait for the developers to fix it, because for many players, the Hytale server is already live. So you guys can just wait for the devs to fix the issue, and then your Hytale download should continue. So that should be it for the video. That is how to fix the Hytale download stuck error. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.